What's up everybody, this is Oscar Alcala, DP and cinematographer for Samy's camera, and today we're going to be looking at the Canon EOS R6.
The Canon R6 is a strong and versatile full-frame mirrorless camera. It has exciting features that make it a perfect camera for photographing fast-moving animals. I thought that photographing a dog would be a great way to put the R6 to the test. The R6 has advanced autofocus abilities including subject detection for people and animal. It can detect the eye, face, and body of an animal. It's also equipped with high-performance coordinating image stabilization that integrates the camera's in-body image stabilization with the image stabilization built into the RF lenses. These two image stabilization systems will automatically work in tandem to deliver coordinated control and reduce camera shake blur by up to 8 stops of shutter speed.
Our friend and Samy's photo school instructor, Anabel DFlux, was hosting a pet photography workshop, which was a great experience and a great opportunity to put this camera and its autofocusing to the test. Now, thanks to Kirby, our awesome trainer and owner of Flying Canines, we were able to host a fun yet challenging workshop at our Santa Ana location. I decided to pair the R6 with Canon's 50mm f1.2. I know this was going to be a great opportunity to get some awesome portrait shots, and I wanted to make sure I had fast glass. So I knew this was going to be a challenging shoot only because these animals are trained to do tricks and to run around. So I know they weren't going to stay in one place for too long. And I wanted to make sure the autofocusing was ready to capture anything. So we set our R6 on continuous autofocusing, which is servo. And I wanted to make sure that subject detect was set to animal and engaged eye autofocus. Now, there were some times when we knew the animal was going to perform a specific trick, and for those images, I chose to switch over to zone focusing, anticipating where the dog would be. Shutter speed also comes into play and is very important when you have a fast-moving subject, as I wanted to make sure I was able to snap the pictures and freeze the subject in the middle of whatever it is they were doing. So for that, my shutter speed was set at 1/500th of a second, and that was enough to freeze the dog's motion. Now, I knew that I was gonna have to shoot at a faster shutter speed, and so I was gonna have to crank up my ISO a little bit more. That's why I chose to go with the 50-1.2. Having that wide aperture lets a lot of light into the sensor, making it a little bit easier, and I wouldn't have to crank up my ISO so much. So my aperture and my ISO were set to our specific lighting scenario, but these will change for you depending on whatever lighting situation you're in. But choosing a lens with a wider aperture will allow you to shoot with lower ISO, giving you a cleaner image with less noise. So without further ado, let's roll some of that footage that we got from Anabel's class and show you some of the amazing images we were able to capture with the Canon R6. Now, the R6 is an amazing stills camera, but it also shoots fantastic video. With its highest resolution of 4K 60, the R6 has a nice range of video resolution and frame rates. It utilizes full sensor readout, giving you no crop even at its highest resolution. A lot of people ask about the difference between the video capabilities of the R5 and the R6. So although the R5 is capable of 8K recording, you do have to understand that with this 8K recording, you're gonna get larger file sizes and you're gonna need a capable computer with a fast enough processor to be able to edit this footage. So our friend, the R6, gives us a 4K image, which is high resolution. It's oversampled, yet a smaller file size, making it a little bit easier to edit footage from this camera. So if you want to learn more about the Canon R6, or perhaps you want to make this your new camera body, make sure you jump over to Samys.com. And like always guys, if you found this video helpful or you liked it, please make sure you hit that like button. And we're dropping new content on our channel every Wednesday, and we'd like you guys to be a part of it. So please hit that subscribe button. And that about does it for me today guys. Have a good one, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.